In this video, I'm going to go over choosing your title. And so far, in this demo, we've already created a keyword list. And in that keyword list, we're going to go over it and see which keywords are good to put into our title. And before I go into that, I'm just going to go over a few guidelines that I would recommend in choosing your title. And so just keep in mind that when you're choosing a title, it's more of an art than it is a science. So what I would recommend is keep your target users in mind and ask yourself what appeals to them, what really strikes a chord in their heart or gets their emotions going or really appeals to them. Something that on a marketing standpoint would if they were to read your title would really express to them what it is your app does and just really appeal to them. So if you already have a brand name in mind, perhaps you were creating an app and a certain title came to mind of what you want to name it. And after doing your keyword research, it still fits well. I would recommend using it. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but possibly maybe enhance that title by adding a description to it. So in the keyword list that you've created, select the relevant keywords that you like. There may be ones, and don't worry about traffic or iPhone difficulty or any of that stuff. You just want to choose the keywords that really appeal to you and what you think would really appeal to your target user. So choose the ones that are most popular, they're appealing, they're sexy keywords. And again, don't worry about the traffic or the difficulty or any of those stats that we've looked at. And don't forget, consider using a hybrid title or a brand plus description title. And I showed you the examples of what a hybrid title is and a brand plus description title in a previous video. But just to reiterate it really quickly, a hybrid title might be like a combination or a mishmash of two different keywords that are mixed together to form your own unique title for your app. And a brand plus description title would be like your brand name, let's say like Instagram, and then a description of what that app does after it. So Instagram, colon, and then, share photos with your friends or whatever you think the description might be. So check if your title, this last point is very important. Check if your title clashes with another product that already exists on the market. And so you don't want to run into, copyright issues or a lawsuit from another company, whether it's in the App Store or it's a different product that's a brick and mortar company or something online already. You just want to make sure that your title is unique and that you're not using a title that's already being used by some other organization. And so when you do that check, you want to search in the App Store, you want to search online to make sure there's no product that exists already, as well as other searches, just to double check that there's nothing that uses that title already. So this is the spreadsheet that we have of the keyword list that we were thinking about, that are optimized keywords for our app after the research that we've done. And I want to go through these keywords and just select the ones that I think are really appealing to my target audience. And again, I'm not going to worry about traffic or the difficulty of the words or how many apps already exist. I'm just going to look strictly at the keywords and ask myself what would go well in a title and would really appeal to my target user. And actually, even before that, I was thinking, just brainstorming about what really appeals to that target audience, what strikes a chord in them, what would be an emotional trigger in them. And I've decided, again, this is hypothetical because this is a demo, but for my signature app, I want to really target just real estate agents and the real estate agents' clients who are either buying or selling a home, and they just want the convenience of being able to sign the purchase or sale agreement with their finger and have it done. So I was thinking the things that make that type of user or appeals to that kind of user is like efficiency, and I'm just going to write them down here. Efficiency, like so that they're not trying to print out documents and sign it and maybe fax it back or mail it back. So when they can do it electronically, there's efficiency, there's convenience. they can do it quickly. Maybe that's some sort of like an emotional trigger or an action keyword that really appeals to them. And I was thinking, they can close the deal, or it's a done deal. So these are just all sort of things that I was thinking about that if I was to create a signature app that was targeted specifically to real estate agents and the real estate agents' clients, these are the types of emotional triggers that would really appeal. So having thought through that, I would probably do something along the lines of, I know that sign or signature is important as well to be in the title, because that's what people are going to be looking for. So I'm going to cater my title around the word sign or signature. And with the emotional triggers that I've written down here, efficiency, convenience, quickly, I just want to focus the brand on something like that. And I think many of the apps that we've looked at also do the same thing, like Sign Now or DocuSign. A lot of them are focusing on the convenience, on having it done quickly and efficiently. And I think there's a reason for that, because there's an emotional trigger there for the people that this app is meant to appeal to. So with this in mind, I think I'm going to try something like Quick Sign or Quick Signature, maybe Easy Sign, Easy Signature. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and I'm just going to search for those search terms. So let's try like Quick Sign. And I can see right off the bat that there's several different companies that have, or at least websites that have built their businesses or built their brand on the term QuickSign. And I don't want to get into any legal problems, so I'm going to avoid QuickSign. But I will try Quick Signature. And there's always already an app called Quick Signature. Quick Signature app, so that doesn't look like it's a go. Let's try Easy Sign. Well, there's Easy Sign, I think in the Netherlands. Sign Easy, Easy Sign. So again, there's already an app called Sign Easy, Easy Sign. So I'm going to avoid Easy Sign. Let's try Easy Signature. There is Easy Signature. Let's see. Yeah, there's already several different brands there that are Easy Signature. I'm going to try, instead of easy, I'll try the letters EZ. Let's try Easy Sign. Let's see what comes up there. So LG has a TV called Easy Sign. All seems to focus around, there's a bit of Easy Sign here. Maybe I'll try Easy Signature. So there's e-signature. So Easy Signature, credibility.com. Who is? So Easy Signature doesn't seem to have any distinct brand here. At least nothing significant. What I would also do there is I would also go to the iTunes store and just search for Easy Signature and see what comes up. Oh, there's Sign Easy, DocuSign, Sign Now. But I don't see any Easy Signature here. So I would also check the Google Play Store. Let's just try that. Easy Signature. Couldn't find anything. So I think for the purposes of this hypothetical demo video, I'm going to go with Easy Signature as the brand, the main brand, and I'm going to just add a colon. And I'm just going to add a description, some kind of description that will focus on keywords that I have here and help describe the app. So if someone was to read the title, they would have a fairly strong idea of what my app was all about. So I've got Easy Signature, and then just sort of looking through these keywords that I have here, I would probably do something along the lines of sign documents quickly and securely using your finger. I might do a little bit of research to see whether using your finger appeals to people or not. But so I may cut out using your finger. But I'm also going to add in brackets PDF, Word, Excel. Just because I think those are some keywords that people may be looking at in addition to what we have here. So now that I've added a description, that's pretty good. It's easy signature, sign documents quickly and securely using your finger, PDF, Word, Excel. And that actually takes care of a lot of these, or some of these keywords anyways. So I'm just going to go and look. I've got e-signature. It's probably pretty close to easy signature. I'm just going to highlight the ones that I've already got, that I've taken in the title. So let's see what else I have here. So I've just highlighted the words in yellow as the ones that we've pretty much used in the title. So again, the title is easy signature, sign documents quickly and securely using your finger, PDF, Word, Excel. So things like e-signature, signed, which sign is there, signing, finger, doc. I may leave that in, but there's documents, that's a short form, and secure, securely. So those are words that I've already used in the title. And the reason why I've highlighted them is I don't want to reuse them in my keyword list because they're already in the title, and that would just be redundant, and we would be using up precious space that we could use for other keywords. So that's an example of a title that I might create. Again, if I had more time or I was more invested into this and this wasn't just a demo, it may be modified slightly, but I think that's pretty good for a starting point. And you may, in your title creation process, you may actually have 3 or 4 different variations of something. You may have some that are a hybrid title, some that are the brand plus description title, and you may have multiple variations. And if you do and you aren't decided on which one is the best one, I would then probably use something like Google Trends and maybe find out if certain terms have more search volume than others, or see what people are searching for more than other search terms. And I would also ask friends and family. And if you know someone that fits your exact target market or target audience, I would definitely be asking someone like that just to see what appeals to them, and maybe show them the 3 or 4 titles and ask them what they think would be most relevant or most appealing to them as the target audience. But ultimately, you don't want to get completely hung up on this. A title is just a title. It's a starting point. It's a way for you to optimize on keywords, and the main goal is to allow someone to read the title and understand what your app is about. But it's also just good to get started. And again, it's not a science. It is very much an art. So don't get hung up on it. Just create something and go with it. It can always be changed in the future.